Daisy, I bet you she just pine over the little foreign man. I mean, what about them foreign people, you know? You see as them take the plane, bops, them fling 10 rock stone back at them, and I just said the story done. But I like she with all the money where she have. She could have found any man, you know. Because that the picture where me see she said that the man, not even midnight ugly so. Daisy? Daisy? Cleopatra? Juliet? Dirty Daisy? You see, I can call them by right there, they come out door. What, where the letter say?
Him say him coming.
Me dear, from the amount of coming, he must be having a wonderful time.
Listen to me, man. Just don't bother with him argument.
Tell me something, Daisy. I really love him or is it infatuation?
Infatuation, my backside. But you know about love and infatuation.
Hi, look, you know. Everybody in this life have a little piece of sin, you know. And it's not a crime to be in love. But you must be sure that it's love you're into, man. Let me tell you something, you see. Daisy, love can be happy and it can be sad. But you can't just go around the place, swell up your face and lay down your lip like when liver get away from butcher. You have to make love grow stronger and rise high.
Don't bother with the preaching.
Let me tell you, see, the Oxford Dictionary said, infatuation is someone who is extravagantly in love. You know, sometimes you have my good days and sometimes you have my bad days.
But if you love worthless, that's why nobody don't want it.
See ya? When pot cloth turn tablecloth, what a thing doing? Well, I can tell you something. If it's any of your business, please to mind you want a business, I'll leave my business alone. You're the cloth grateful wretch, you.
You never mean it that way, man. But me really worried and downhearted, you know.
Well, thank the Lord me live visit today, and I hope he will give me strength so me will live visit tomorrow.
Just put yourself in my shoes now.
That is very impossible. Because me wear a size 8 and you wear a size baby coffee.
So you get new sign, wait, say, in God I trust.
Same way.
Ever since you get more fine stuff, you just a go and bossy. You must remember where I come from, you know.
I look, you know. My mother never get me pan toilet seat, you know. Right? And the same place where you come from is the same place me come from. So no matter with me this man, yeah, woman. Oh, you think I'm an easy person, no? Sure.
See, sunset command.
What's here? Probably sure I've been gang going. Let me see them.
Stand back, little one. Scotland is the name. When I was a boy, tipping was the game. But now that I'm a man, me get to understand that all of it is not the same.
Well, you just listen to me. Now that you're a man, I don't care how much money want grease your hand. You could have fly high, you could have fly low. For all I care, you're the same little piston tail boy me used to know.
See, sunset command. Because it's me Scotland who used to ride a bicycle. Now it's me Scotland driving a BMW. Yes, Bob Marley and the Wheelers.
I look, you know. Try to remember to mix up better about me, you froze him out here.
That's Scotland bit on rhyme,
No, just sometime. Anyway, I passed you on the side to look funny, you know.
Well, take me advice and walk.
Pearl, man, you know, TNG. Wow. Trust me, I pack a cigarette and a soft thing till later now.
Wait. You don't see the sign. You can't read.
Sure. In God I trust.
And if him come, I might trust him.
See a ranking, Merle, man.
And I may live to be a million, I'm going to remain the same.
But you know, with all the money what me have, me can buy you out.
Buy me out? Man, say the square. Because of the rate at which you spend your little money when you win off of the racers, you can never buy me out.
See, sunset comment. What do you?
You don't know the meaning of that word. Because if I was like you, I would have got stand up in front of a big, fast-moving truck.
Sure, you're a ragamuffin, man. Yes, there's the wow.
Now look, I the better one, so me I drive BMW now.
You don't know it already. Broke today and broke tomorrow, the same broke.
And your feast today is you picking them famine tomorrow.
Don't fret pan that no boy, cause right now my pick them better off than you and your little dry up stall.
Dry up stall? I dry up yourself, boy.
Dry up.
You little flush down toilet, pass through garbage, pass out in this one. You're renting like a black man, brother. I will fast out.
Alright. Just cool down. Him don't know what him say. Him don't know what him saying. Hey, Spotland, you know how you used to come here and trust me all good?
And I'm living on the past, man. The future is all I see.
And if you're a man sharp hurricane, Merle, where they come?
What do you want?
What have you done, boy?
Hey, boy, you don't see me. Me trash and ready.
That's right. That's your them piece of old trash.
Howdy, boy. Me used to be a racehorse touter. Now me is a racehorse owner. Me stop, get tips. Now me get winner. Even my father beg me a winner.
And although you is a racehorse owner, you smell just like the stable.
Hey, David, when me come on now, you know some money me come on, you know, because it's my horse around, and me know when them a go win. See?
You know, so me not busy about racehorse. So what, how Sharon?
All right. Now that me giving her money, all she doing is stay home and wait for me.
Oh, you've been a keeping any woman with her, you know. Make me see the picture here.
What do you?
So wait, how would this a broad face girl?
Is the helper.
You know where your helper doing a Maglina bikini?
Besides the cleaning talent, I have to check out the real talent, you know, what them really possess, you know?
Boy, he's a racehorse owner. You drive a BMW and you have a living helper.
The boy's a damn crook.
Sure. The helper only living when Sharon gone a country to look for her mother, man.
But you is a real Ginali.
Me say me's a damn CROOK.
Hey boy, me's a businessman. Me stop it box lunch. Now it's crab, lobster, and shrimp.
Hey, but them not sitting in the sea cleaner. In the sea cleaner them, because all them shell specimen do is near about the kuro out of this.
Hey boy, just watch your mouth, you know, boy,
cool. What you can do?
You don't know me yet, you know, Merle. Like, you don't know me yet.
What you can do?
You just do you something.
You want
Thanks and praise to Jah Rastafari, Earth's rightful ruler.
The amount of time you get thanks and praise, I know just should help you make you get some money.
Money, power, greed, that I don't need. Love unto the eye, spot lamps. Daisy, Jah blessings unto you. Merle, strength and protection.
They same to you.
Hey, spot lamp, the eye love the color of the eye chariot.
Yeah, man.
Babylon call it a BMW. Hey, Daisy, the eye look like the eye grieving a loved one.
Mr. White, look like I'm alone can deal with this problem. But thanks for your consideration.
Giving is part of eye gift from Jah. Hey, spot lamp, the eye look like the eye modeling for Babylon institution.
Yeah, man, business steady. By the way, me have something to give you, know.
And no matter with that. Don't matter with that. Business on top of business will kill other business. Me have the business in here, Daisy have her business over there, and Mr. White having business. So take the advice, take for your business and go along through the gate. Oh, you know, it is always black man worries, you know, them want everything in the world. But when it's done, them can't even find paper to cover them ass from poverty.
Sure, black man don't sell out them brother and sister. Long time, that's why poverty a lick them ass, no.
That is part of Babylon's historical fabrication of I.
But don't them sell Marcus Garvey out for rice and peas?
I'm pork.
Our mongrel do not get I anywhere.
Yes, Jenny, we know you're well intelligent already. Come we do your business here, sir.
Hi. Dreaded business is to teach your children them. So just go on about your business, man. You're your damn racketeering business.
Hey boy, you don't know nothing, you know. So just cool it, you know. I don't want to do you something.
Where you say to me? Where you going with? You know, so we can do anything right in here, so we buy the place now and we can do anything. And the police come and tell us that.
Okay, everything is under the eye control. No need to worry. Yes, Spotland, forward.
Sure. I just to you now, sure.
Gala.
That boy will never learn. I see when me see two boy people, them just a chuck it and a go on, you know.
Make them stay, man. Chip not fly far from the block. But you see, police out there wait on them, you know. Aye, sir.
You know, so I'm really afraid to Linval. I hope him don't have any woman, you know. Would have stayed. Boy, I can't wait for the day to come to just hug him and kiss him and squeeze him and...
Alright! Let me get the picture.
Aye, hey. You see how me keep myself clean and pure for him all these years?
Clean and pure? From which part?
Master God is a living back and belly rat.
How would you play a cloth you are called back and belly rat? Eh? How we are called back and belly rat?
Kept no fitting, you take it up if it's fitted, then wear it.
It's not the water tongue make cow no talk, you know.
One time full of fool, but two times full of a fool. Your damn face, you have a musmus backside.
I will not tell you which part must backside, but you don't. Please!
In the beginning, God created I and I.
Let go that! You want one?
Regarding correction in heart's wisdom, throw away the strife and show some unity among the eyes.
I'm going to live to see the day that all them things and names you are coming backfire upon you.
Live on. Live on for as long as you want, because even if me live to be a million days, see, I wouldn't even want you scratch me back with a 10-foot pole.
Hey, Scott, I beg you to take me down my garden. Can you see me stay inside? Your blood on the road.
You ready? Cut now.
Man, hey Merle, our business today, right?
Merle, how is business today?
If you don't mind, it is good for you to mind your own business and leave other people about their own business. Not so bad, Mr. White.
Level vibes.
So, Mr. White, how is school and thing?
School break for 2 weeks, so the eye just chilling out for the time being, watching Babylon bow down to I and I.
Sound positive, sound positive.
And you sound like when records scratch.
Hey, boy, just go on and you tie it and wait. Daisy, you look nice, you know. You look very, very nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful Daisy.
But see, I got them back famous singing when me used to carry tripod and
Shut up your mouth.
Me tired to tell us everything that me have on my man said it from foreign, yeah, boy.
your man sent it from Farry. All that, Jippy Japama. Well, what man sent from Farry? Send what from Farry?
Hey, boy, I don't want to do something, you know.
You can't do me none days so go on where you go because you can't do me nothing. And try to fix the clothes and we have I am pan what line on this, so try to fix them. I beg your man send some decent clothes for you.
Daisy, of what value is an idol since a man has carved it? The blind will see your beauty. The deaf shall hear your sweet voice, and the dumb will speak unto you. Trod on.
You say you is a devil, but me not heed to your temptation. See you later, Mr. White.
Aye.
Come on, boy, we go drive in a BMW, yeah?
Only the chosen few get them privilege there. But come. Later, Merle girlie.
Like your mother.
Ready, later, the husband is here. Go on, dear.
Wait! But Dreddy, if you ever like Daisy and him a carry straw.
The eye don't overstand.
Go and play full wicket wise.
The eye don't have any time to skylark.
You're lucky.
The eye satisfaction is not in the flesh. Seeing I and I people together as one is I and I greatest satisfaction. The eye thinking right now about the children. Hey, say Merle, would the eye think about turning the eye room into a little school?
Say what? You are going to turn your room into a school?
Yes, a school. Because next term the eye will have to give up the little place I using right now.
If you make them little dirty batty running those fatherless people coming at this yard, yeah?
It will mean more business for the eye.
Sweetie business and them mama coming and come trust have me something them. You know the other day you see that Mara foot girl and her flabber mama come in and cuss me off properly just because me never trust them until I call me.
Yes, Merle, but think about the help you will be giving.
What you mean must think about the help me giving, Mr. White? What you mean must think about the help when me giving? What you want me to do is, sir? Me can't feed all of the poor people around here now.
You know what the problem is, Merle? I and I are fighting a mutually destructive war against one another for the crumbs off our oppressor's plate.
When the little bit of me have can't go too far.
I have expected
Well, me's a man have many surprises. Make I tell you something, you see them youth round here? Them are wasters, you know. Them don't want to do nothing. You know how much time I tell them must go learn a trade or something to improve them life. But them don't want to do nothing.
Yes, and since I and I know certain things, then why not help them?
Mr. White, you always help them. Them ever help you? Eh? You see them mascot round there? I tell you, them don't want to do nothing. You know, the other day I was passing the corner, you see? And I see the one big eye. I want to hear him. Super. You want to see a man have a pot on fire with some water in there boil. So me I beg your money to go buy some chicken back and flour. Well, I tell him say I don't have no money. And the man tell me somebody this, Mr. White. I never know say them they want they make. Just then and there, if one of them friend come up. See that? Yo, bigger, what you say? Give me our money now. And bigger take out two crisp $20 bill out time back and give the boy, you know. And when him see me I look on him here now, a business money that man. I said the whole of them stay, them want to take a little bit where you have and them have it too. Them is a set old thief.
Yes, Merle, but I can rehabilitate them, because them respect I. Well, look at the sisters, how them suffering.
The sister them, and them cause it upon themselves. And them cause everything upon themselves. All them know if you do a breed. 3 picnic, 4 baby father. Me I tell them how them You think them easy? I see if you have a family that come from foreign, them just cast out them nets up and try to catch them. But instead of them catch something catch them.
Well, the I not giving up on the youth.
Well, master, see for me hand them here.
In the dark, running from reality. Unless you step off the stuff and you feel irate, walking around aimlessly, mind blowing, confused, direction abused by friends you choose and things you use. War on drugs, war on drugs, declare war on drugs.
Is anybody home? Lord Jesus, are you there? I gotta find someone to get me some money tonight. I need a woman. Merle, you want to? Daisy! So black and beautiful creature of the night. I want to shed some light on this forgotten rebel. I got to get some. I gotta get it tonight.
Get what tonight?
Oh man, you want bloody business.
Well, seeing that your business is better than mine, tell me about your one now.
You go inside. You misfit on the privileged dog.
Look here now. Let me tell you something. We not pay rent in here again, you know. So me ready string you up on a light post like swing song and torment you.
Listen, it's not too late. It's not too late to recontrol this yard.
Recontrol what? Move. You favor somebody with leprosy.
You just go inside. You're a waste of time. Just go in your one room and swear out before I put you on the rooftop.
Well, at least me have a little one room to go inside too. What you have, eh? You don't even have a phone call.
What? I want to dismantle you.
Come on, dismantle me everything you need, man. Dismantle me now. This because you look so crush up and mash up. You want to go talk about dismantle me. Move! You favor crush up crocus bar.
Oh, you're wasting time. You're wasting time. Daisy! Go on here right now.
Mr. Richards, go home to your wife.
Girl, you're pregnant, no, papa. You want to see the doctor, no, papa. I fit me, say I fit.
Me know me a throw one pan in a boy.
So weird. Me can't walk my mouth and sing again.
You can't say anything you want because what you know, you see what I mean, you don't know, something that kill you, dirty wretch.
You move from there. What you want is a shower with some steel piece. You see, baby, you see, you just left me out here. Oh.
Me left it the time.
Over there. He wants somebody to destroy you.
Mr. Richards, the dog.
I wanted a little rolling shaft. Look, let me tell you something, you see. Look for you now, you can't stand up straight and boy you want to come lick me. And the breeze blow toward them, drop a ground and can't get up.
Don't let you push me again.
He's a wreck.
Daisy, come on here. I want to talk to you.
What you want?
Come here. I'm having some problems with a business associate of mine. So I need someone to carry through a special transaction.
We not carry up people transaction.
Daisy, there's something in it for you.
Me will stay up on the outside because fear inside is rotten.
Daisy, we're talking big bucks here.
Big bucks get big licks from big man.
I am the big boss.
You sound like a jackass.
Now you, what's your language?
Don't fresh. Remember say you is not the slumlord here anymore.
Daisy, take a chance and come into business with me. And you'll have money to spread your bets, you know?
My bed well spread now, so nobody worry about me.
Oh, dirty boss, come here first.
Christ, Master God, if that boy don't leave my business alone, blood will run in this yard, you know, sir.
See what I mean? Come into business with me, Daisy. Daisy, think about it. Money, money, money.
How about prison, prison, prison?
And the road is called yonder. A piece of cardamom.
Daisy, think about it. This is and I have to get my life in shape.
Shape is right. Look on your stomach.
What about it? That's not what I mean. I mean economically, socially, and quickly. Instead of banana porridge, you could have cornflakes. Instead of bully beef, you could have steak, and so on and so on.
And instead of orthopedic mattress, you could have kaya and chin.
You're away from progress.
It's more like distress.
And a deep, damn it, deep.
Now who can I turn to? Merle?
And a deep, damn it, deep.
Merle. How about a proposition?
This take your proper arm about your business, sir. And don't make a go on about it. See my position right here, sir.
You don't even know what I'm talking about.
I'm not interested, me not care. Just go on about your business, man. Because you're standing here is a ruination to me.
That's why you will always be a pauper.
Papa, Papa, let me tell you something, you see. I am on my way to the top. And you now gonna make me come down. Look upon you. Look upon you, let me talk, man. Look upon you, look where you was and watch where they now. Watch him now. How are the mighty falling? You see that dirty?
All right. Who don't need no sense in junk and all them things then? Fuck up on me. But you can't record out and you're coming at the yard and take liberty with people.
We need to get upset. Now here comes someone with intelligence.
Hey, you must sit down and listen to yourself talk here.
Yes, it is I, and not the host of hell, or the scourge of the rumba, come to whip the
Okay, Mr. Wild, forget about the lecture and rest for the goodness of Selassie, okay?
Fret not thyself about lecture on Rasta or Selassie. Rum and pork is all the I bow down to. So, Merle, what's the problem?
The eye did tell the eye that the eye have a problem.
No, but Daisy and the eye was about to war, so the eye just trying to get to the bottom of this.
We'll start from the top.
Mr. Wild, can I have a word with you?
Yes, Mr. Richards. Heathen in Babylon, what can the eye do for the eye?
Now make him con you ready.
Bob say Jah will never give the power to a bald head for rum. Come, crucify the dread.
Don't give us forget about that.
But Daisy, watch him doing. Past few months ago, you used to come here combo, so you have money and education. And watch for him now. Not even jam crowd I want him.
When you have plenty, you must remember the rainy days.
Oh yes, darling, that's why me not Daisy, that's why me not show off, you know. Me always give God thanks to the little bit where me have.
Aye, Master God, me have to take back sitting, make joke.
I not lie. Because you're a perfect example. Look why you. Look why you. You used to wear curtain cloth, I know you're graduating to foreign silk and blue.
Watch your talk, boy. Because my man, you know, shop a cheap store for bargain. If you ever see somebody nice things that may send, come give me. You know, some big, nice, white, white and blue, red and white bag, mark, honest eggs and bag in a roll.
What time is it? You still have Fred Pan the man, Daisy?
Lord, Murray, yes, Mr. Richards. If you know something, I'm afraid you will take liberty with me, man. Just...
So you want me afraid of him?
Okay, Mr. White. You think about it. I'll come back and talk to you tomorrow. How about that?
Sound logical to the eye.
See that? Daisy, Murray, take care.
You look like you need more care than me.
You don't know what you're missing?
Well, women don't know what hurt me.
Hold on.
Protection, Mr. Richards.
See what?
So, Merle, how about I&I business?
Look at her. Yes, let me tell you no. Till them me going to tell you no. And if you ask me tomorrow, I'm going to tell you no same way.
What kind of business do I have on?
That is none of your business.
So we don't live inside here too.
Well, when it is your business, I will inform you.
It was just an idea, Daisy, but let's drop it.
If you say so.
Lord, look at her. I laughed on the street this morning until I think I was going to pass out. Look at her. Me take a minivan, you see. You know, they can't pack the minivan then. Well, me have a customer in Spanish town, so me say, well, me have to go down, me go collect a money. Well, me have go right out a 3 mile there. Me see a man, the man dressed nice, you know, decent looking man with 2 nice little girl children with him. You know? So now, the man flagged up the minibus. The man top the minibus and hear him to the conductor, you know, in a very eloquent voice, you know. Excuse me, but does this minivan have seats in it? Boy, the conductor look at the man and say, tell him some bad words, you know. I say, well, you think this damn thing has a trunk? We no must got seat in there. Tell the driver, mash flat, driver, mash flat. driver, listen. The poor man was so ashamed in this thing again, like dog, and walk on with him to pick me them.
You see me now. So them minibus driver, they don't pack up people like sardine in that thing, you know.
I mean, yeah.
That's why you see me not take them. I rather walk or me just beg a drive.
You know, last night, I didn't get to sleep at all. Because all through the night, I hear singing and crying over Big Ten.
And night, them over there.
How dead?
One of them girls from Catchman Passy. Me hear the call into, you know. So me go over there to find out what go on. Hey. When me go, me say this big man a ball. Him want a ball, you know. So me ask Paris quick. If him a one of the generation, she said no. So me say, you know who him be? She said, he is the official crier. You see, if you need $10 so him ball till that kingdom come.
Listen to me, let me know you that night. Anyway, it's good to laugh sometimes, but watch, you know, me can't stay out with him any longer, you see. Because me have some stock for collect a man in, so me have to go in. Like a 1 moon or something. Me know it's soon, no?
Alright, Merlin.
Night.
That is alright. When men on earth have done their best, what more can angels do?
What are I talking about?
The man of foreign. He's like a sitting duck, waiting to be plucked.
They let me help you, no Daisy.
Just kill our boy!
There is no fear in love, but perfect love drive away fear. It is not for one to be in despair. Trust in Jah to guide and protect you in your doings, and his light will shine on you.
Oh, why me, Mr. White? Why me?
The answer lies within you. For greater is he that is in you than he that is in the world.
That really so nice.
But ready, you know, say you could be either a politician or a preacher.
The I don't preach, the I teach. If Jah did want I to be a politician, the I would have been a bald head.
Yes, Grady, the more you live, the more you learn.
And the more you sit down there and afraid of yourself, is the happier you become.
Daisy, open up on Miss Patlam.
How would that call me? Linva. Linva, you come?
Happy.
But how are you star?
Happy man, Patlam.
Spot home?
Land.
But how the copper yard do all this time of night?
Passing through, let me in.
Me not let people in the room this time of night, you know.
This serious man, let me in fast.
How was I in a dream about Linva, you know? When you come wake me up. This must be a sign.
Just let me in before we kick down the door, man.
But stop. Remember, tell me have the key. So just behave yourself. Stop over a minute so we can say for you.
Be there, man.
Are you fit true?
Then how will you expect the time, man?
Sure, wasn't you where you want?
You come in, police are on me now.
For what?
Let me know what I tell you, man.
Tell me first.
Sure. Listen, business I go down. Then Joe wants to win Saturday, and police find out and beat up the groom. And cause I'm here the one, and the groom go call the name. But we don't know nothing about it. Turn that with a room.
Not bother with this theory. You sure you don't know nothing about it?
Can't do.
You say if you don't know.
We don't know.
All right, come here.
That one. And me, Lydia. Well, the daddy house went broke off.
Morning to all you people out there, and welcome to the morning show from now till 12 p.m. My name is Leroy Brown, the talk of the town. From Trench Town to Spanish Town.
Time bomb, tick-a-tack-a-tack-a-tack, explosion in the palace, touch a fall like a rat. Ronald Reagan, no bother with no gun. Sit down and wait, your time soon come. Apartheid dying, both lying, victory is near. Hear me loud and clear. Tell your friend Peter Boda, tell your friend apartheid will end. And tell your friend Peter Boda, tell your friend that apartheid will end. And tell your friend Peter Boda, tell your friend
I look around and tell me see here, boy. You damn parasite.
Patlam, what did I do here so early?
Is that me that want to find out, you know, Mr. White?
Business, man. Business.
How much time I tell you say your business is not to come here?
Hey, me do business anywhere and anytime me feel like.
Get the boy, man.
If it wasn't for Daisy, I wouldn't have nowhere to go, you know.
Go friend there. Cause she must say well and trust if you take up a dirty bitch like you.
Hey, just don't talk about me this morning. Listen, just leave me alone.
Let me ask you, your belly full. Eh? Your belly full, so you come out bright this morning to come trace me. Locks, I can't wait till Miss Linval come.
Hey, just don't call my money when you're mouthing out here, boy.
Just lift up your arm and smell it and then you will know the meaning of mouthing. Me I tell you, see? Me I tell you. Wait till Miss Linval come.
You know, I've been thinking about this great idea about a little school.
Tell me about it.
Well, I have this great idea. I'm going to go over to Big Ten and rent a little room and turn it into a little school.
How are you, Mr. White? Sure. How are you? I want the BMW still out there, you know.
Hi.
Oh.
And me can tell you something, you see, new tenant. You see, don't park your BMW down there because it's under police surveillance.
Hey, which new tenant you talking about? You know, see this boy a problem and me I try to help him out.
Hey, Daisy, just cool. This is between the two of us. Now make everybody know this.
But for how long? Me can't wait till Mr. Linval come.
But what you think about the idea about a little school?
Sound good, go tell the landlord.
As soon as the eye gets some papers together.
Good luck.
Jar is on eye side.
You're going to need more than job.
Let me just hold on to Daisy.
Me not none, man.
Sure. Well, if that's so.
The eye don't use comb.
Nobody look for me, you know. Now look for me, because cell lice is very rampant nowadays.
Daisy, leave some dinner for me here.
Here, stew, peas and rice with big steering knife. Jenny, you like some?
The eye don't eat Arnold.
It's sweet, you see.
Hey, Merle, no bother with you, you know, because me know your cat long time.
You got me, dirty boy, you got me. Let me ask you, where you going?
Up Constant Spring Road.
Give me a drive. Mr. White, this take care for me, like I tell me come back, hold the fort. And look at him, Mr. White. Don't make no teeth.
That boy Merle will never change.
Oh, time is a master, Daisy. Well, you know, the I still trying to get the money together for my idea about a little school. With the little bit of money the I still have, it's still rough. Babylon's still trying to hold the eye. So how's business at the garage?
Great, you know, all of the man them down there respect for me.
The I glad to hear that.
Me thinking I put a business on my own, you know, but me just watch the runnings and so the one thing that I deal with.
Well, the eye should be careful and not eat more than the eye can chew.
Mr. White, when it comes to running a garage, you're looking at a pro.
That's what I want, darling. A pro to do my business.
How will you come from other person?
Never mind that. Now listen. You see, I'm not the one to take liberty with people, so you have nothing to fear. So, if you want some assistance, I can assist you.
No, thank you. What are you doing yourself?
So never mind that. Listen, I know this lady in the country by the name of Miss Mamas. So, if you want to hold a man or a woman, she can give you the other hold, the other steering wheel, the other knowledge, the other money, anything I want.
No.
That is in equity work, Mr. Richards.
Call it what you want, but it works.
So if it works, why you not trying?
Me? I believe in other things like real money.
We'll get some other money.
Crosses will follow me. Mr. White, how about our business?
I still thinking about it.
Time is running out, man.
I will do it when the right time comes.
Easy. Have you seen a little plastic bag lying around the place?
No.
What kind of a plastic bag?
Okay, forget about it.
Where did it go?
All right, I said forget it. You're a blasted ass, you don't see I'm coming. Right on the way. Damn ass.
Hello, teacher.
Hey, look, Percy, how's the holiday?
Not bad, teacher. Middle day, teacher?
No, Percy, why do you ask?
Cause my mother owe him, and me no want him to ask me for the money.
How is your mother, Percy?
Not bad, teacher. She walk now.
Irie. Hey, you know, school might change next term.
Yes, teacher. Which part we go? Foreign?
No, maybe this yard or Big Ten.
Anything you say, teacher. Yeah, $5 can give me, teacher.
$5, Percy.
Yes, teacher. Next week is my girlfriend's birthday. I'm going to buy her presents, teacher.
Oh, the eye getting big, eh, Percy?
Yes, teacher.
I hope you're still studying your book.
Then I must, teacher. Thank you, teacher. Oh, as me see you, remember, Miss Daisy.
Wait, remember.
Send me have a letter for you. Hold on.
What kind of letter?
I'm for no, ma'am, but it have kind of a stamp, ma'am.
Well, you better find my letter here, boy. By the way, how you get my letter?
The postman give me and send me for you, ma'am.
Well, you better find it because do it here, like a backside here.
Okay, Daisy, settle down.
Hey, second down, you know how long that way panic says, Mr. White?
But teacher, God knows I'm gonna put it in my pocket, Miss Daisy.
Yeah, go on like you're lagging. Just find my letter, give me right now, you. Just find
Daisy,
it.
control the eye temper.
Oh, me just remember what it
Where there?
You know my shoes, ma'am.
Just hurry up and give me a letter, man.
Sweat up, ma'am.
Give it to me. I'm going home.
I will forget.
Come on, man, I don't want to see you.
Thank you, my teacher.
Yeah.
Very good.
Lord, Mr. White, I'm afraid you up it. Just take it and read it for me now.
Well, it really sweat up.
So what?
Hello, my sweet, darling Daisy. How are you? I hope you are fine and still beautiful as the day we met.
Me heart.
I have some good news and a surprise.
Give me the good news, Mr. White.
I will be arriving on July 25th at around 4 p.m.
In my car! In my car! In my car!
Master God?
Yes, he's coming.
Selassie?
Lincoln, DJ coming tomorrow.
Mrs. Canada tired damn Lincoln.
Yes, Linval coming tomorrow.
Yes, and with a surprise, bro.
What kind of surprise?
Me no know, me no care if you know. All me know that him a come.
Well, I want him, he can tell you. Try start cleaning up the place. And look here, no member, clean under your bed.
Hey, you see me? Me better take up my chin and bedspread and me, I go dress up.
Then wait, you go start just from now. Mrs. Stark sends you.
Then up tomorrow I come.
You see, Daisy, Jah worked in a mysterious way.
Let me tell you something. When I see us from tomorrow, none of them about to knock on this door. Because me, I live bad. I go lock up inside there for 1 whole week. Because my man come from foreign and sure we can't sleep in this one little room. You have a BMW sleep inside it too.
Sure.
Listen boy, just don't bother with that. Dear, I was just helping you out.
Hey, that lady want a rent.
Merle, help me out, man.
Help you out with what, master?
I don't know where to live.
Now we are telling me that fact. And furthermore, 2 bull can't sleep in a 1 pen. And let me tell you, in the middle, one of police come, kick down my door and come shoot.
How you know about police?
It's a foolish man don't know how dog laugh. Let me tell you something, you see, boy. Let me tell you something. Me not help you out in a no way, in a no harm. I want you name the bus streets of police, I look for you.
Yeah? Me mama. Girl, we can't go there.
Cannot. You know, own car. You're a big racehorse owner. Well, man, bear your onions.
Sure, Merle, man. Listen, man, me never do nothing, you know. I mix up, my name get mixed up. And that's all police want to know if we can shoot you, you know.
So why you fear a gunshot?
I'm prison.
Oh.
You say in a prison you have to pay rent and do certain things.
Well, master, take me advice and no bend down, me say don't bend down.
Merle, man, show some sympathy, no, man.
Go away with that. Your face, yawa. And this last week you come and brag and boast for me. Listen now. Why boasted thyself, O evil man, playing smart and not being clever? Look for you now. If you ever come in, dog, I look for them, master. Alright. Look here. Me is not a wicked man, you see. So, me I go put my neck on the line for you. But the police catch me, you know, that is harboring criminal. Alright, you can stay.
Thank you.
Till 1 week, under the bed.
Oh. You safe, man, cause me in
Tell that to the judge.
Good morning, young man. I'm looking for one Miss Daisy Bushwood.
Oh, you mean the jam crowd?
Oh, she changed her name, I see.
Hey, you don't see nothing yet. Look over there, sir.
I beg your pardon.
I say if you look yonder.
Oh, my God. You have changed. Your nose, your eyes, such thick lips.
Hey, just clear up.
Let me taste it.
You too wet. Merle, how me look?
Well, my dear, fashionable is not the word to describe you. So this set of it cash and ready.
Wicked Daisy, you look bad.
Daisy, is that you?
Then who you expect? Tina Turner?
Daisy, tonight, let the eye be thy guide. There's a place for I and I. Let I lead you to Mount Sinai.
Oh my. When you're ready?
Now let's start up the car.
Hey, we not use your car, you know, because we don't want police to stop you all and pull away. One of them boys from the garage we carry away. Come on, Merle.
Me ready long time.
Just say the word.
I'm member now. So when we reach the airport and we see him, please make me do all of the talking.
Yes, this is so.
So what? When you really turn on my officer?
We much safer. And let me tell you something, remember now, me not driving a car, huh?
Lord Merle.
You want me come on?
All right, come, driving at the front.
Oh. Dirty bungo. Because I have nobody come from foreign. So I don't want to come ask if you carry luggage for. Aye, Scotland. Scotland.
What?
Go on, go them carry the luggage down the lane there for me now. I never see nothing so. Me? Can I burn?
Hey, me alone can't carry all of them, you know.
The eye will help the eye.
Sure. Take money. Sure.
Is this where we're going to be staying?
Yes, I suppose so.
I told you we should have booked into a hotel.
Well, you just listen to me. You see right where me sit down here is room number 1. Yonder last room number 2. And right which part you see there's a perch of ourselves is room number 3. Now that one vacant, so make yourself at home.
In this dump?
Ophelia, remember where you're coming from?
I didn't expect to be reminded of it.
Well, look here now. It's not Beverly Hills, this, you know. But we live very clean down here. Very clean and sanitary. And we treat we stranger them good.
I know some nice spots on the beach, you know. I could take you there in my BMW.
Well, I suppose I'll just put on my bathing suit and go do a little basking in the sun.
But what this? You die about young.
So Daisy, this is big yard, eh? Huh. I see you have friendly neighbors too.
Daisy, remember you know, I used to say you that do all the talking.
Daisy was a bit upset. She wasn't expecting this kind of a surprise.
And what a surprise, Dreddy. I am confuffled.
My feet are killing me. May I have a chair?
We don't have any chair here, ma'am, so you can go sit down on the genuine leather. Watch yourself, kuno mono.
Here, Daisy. This is for you. Look at it now. I'm sure you like it. And I can explain everything.
And you have a lot of explaining to do.
Why don't you just mind your own damn business?
You're talking to me, come on, Mango. Well, I can't tell you one thing, you see, girl. You see, from your foot coming at this yard, yeah? Hey, your business is everybody's business.
Well, I would really appreciate it if in my case you could make an exception.
Not for a piece of baggage like you.
Oh, you are so little childish.
Illiterate what? Childish? But look at the second girl, come. Look at her. Watch fire. Look on your face. If you have a punish down handcuff. And look if you have a little string bean. You ever see macaroni? Look at that, I'm going bad in here. All on, I'm going to find and come back and I come pop style.
Can I laugh in him,
no, man. If you have a little dog, my uncle have named Porty.
How could you do this to me? After all the years me sit down away from you, me never look at another man. The fretting and the heartaches at night time almost kill me. Now you bring this little germ slimes back up through my face. I could man so wicked.
But you don't understand this.
Understand?
Yes.
Understand that you bring this little concubine to come mash up my me.
I prefer not to be referred to as a concubine.
You better keep your cat.
I refuse to stand here and be abused like this, especially by the likes of you, you common little settler.
Say you ready. Let me know, Miss Lavalava. Well, make me tell you something. Me not going to sit back and make you, hey, I make you come in here and trace me, or beat me, and for the fight, take over my man from me. Hey, let me go, man. Hey, let me go, man. Just give me the pass, man. I'm going to turn up on the girl, man.
This is ridiculous.
That's right. And that sad little excuse you had for a sweetheart needs a good spanking.
Spanking, girl. You're going to turn up on the girl.
All right, Daisy, settle down.
Settle down, Jenny. You know, see, she a bubble. After all, you know, that damn farm queen over there tries to...
My name is Ophelia Rodriguez, you nincompoop.
Ophelia, we're at her right now, you know, business. Watch it now.
Nincompoop.
But I get a young time, so you know, satisfied with me days ago. Say, why we give a piece of me?
Not if you were the last man on earth.
Back up on the little girl now. Watch her. You little tough little. She favor macaron. You ever see Bernie selling girl? Watch her now. You know, make her done this because the temper boy, you know.
She's for foreign. Behave yourself.
Foreign, me no business. I saw them like a foreign girl that stay, right? Left Jamaica and go foreign and spend two to come on and come back and go on like so, you know, and pop twang. All women like you, we say get them and call it Guinet. And you will see come and call it Plume.
Darling, are you going to stand there and let him speak to me like that?
I think you should apologize. You got long, you waste of time. Apologize to me. Look at him. Me no apologize to he, she, nor the world.
All right, now humble yourself.
What about that?
Yes, Merle, because we know you're bad already.
You want that for me? So I see. Jamaica has gone through a lot of change.
Well, the country is still in bad shape, but I enjoying every moment of it. Give thanks and praise to Jah Rastafari.
Yeah, man, Jamaica nice. We have music, we have white sand beach, we have girls. We could have a little more money though.
I guess it's like that everywhere.
If you want to believe that, you see Jamaica, no problem.
So tell me, how was the I flight?
Not bad at all. The music and the food was great.
I bet you hear enough killer rhythm on the plane.
Yeah, man, that's what you call it down here, eh?
Yeah, man.
Well, though Ophelia was a little sick after eating a meal of ackee and saltfish. But see, them the butterfeet girl can go and show off,
Well, if the I need any assistance, feel free to give the I a shout.
May I extend an invite? The beach, night spots, anywhere. Me and my BMW can take you there.
Would you like a glass of juice, dear?
Thank you, darling.
Daisy, where could we get some juice to buy? Down at Creamer. That is about 10 miles from here. But I'm sure the exercise would do you want that like a string beat, some. You want some rated water?
What's that?
It's Jamaica local soft drinks. That would be fine, thanks.
Hey, give me 2 soft drinks. Now I'll get 1 glass.
So where you come from? Where you come from?
Hi. What is your problem? I don't have any soft drinks, darling. Let me run out, so you have to go give them water. Living water.
Well, that's fine. I can't concern him. I didn't have to drink something here today, you know.
It's alright, me go get some drinks later.
Hi, Spot Lamb.
What?
Come inside here, I want to talk to you. Follow me.
Oh, me a come.
Go on in the house and go farm food there, boy. So, Daisy, how are things?
Not bad.
You know, I'm really glad to see you. And I'm hoping we can start anew. And I'm sure that after my explanation about Ophelia, you'll see that I have been faithful to you.
Look, darling.
Ophelia, can't you see I'm talking? You see, I'm in my final year of medical school and I'm working on a special project with Ophelia, meaning we will have to study and live together for 2 weeks. But there's nothing going on between Ophelia and myself.
So I should keep calling you darling.
That's just the way she is.
But tell her to stop calling you darling. Linville is fine.
Linville, darling.
Hey, nobody with it. You know that here is still, you better keep your distance because Linville a female man.
Yes, right, yes.
Now we have a big problem. We have one bed for every 3 big people. How that going to work out?
Make the girl sleep on this step.
Why don't we go inside and discuss this?
That won't have anything for them neighbors there, you know, because they've done everything already. Anyhow, come go inside and talk. Hey, when you can't throw it, you know ears on my window. And you can't put in the ear my key on. And then so when you hear pow and it's me that are not she.
I've got to find it. Anyone see a little plastic bag lying around the place? I've got to find it. Daisy! Wait. Who are these people? What are these suitcases doing here? Daisy, you moving out?
None of your business.
People just can't move in this yard as they like, you know, and move out, you know. Now, who are you, sir?
My name is Linval and I'm from Toronto.
Oh, so you're the man from foreign, eh? Listen, Mr. Peter, see, I used to be the landlord of this place, you know.
But in least get terminated.
By a higher governing body.
So, Miss Ophelia, if I can be of assistance to you, you just call me. Let me see if I find my business card. No, I can't find it. Daisy, if you were having talent, people coming in, you should have let me know. I would make the necessary arrangements.
You know, too late, you know.
You know, I gotta find it, you know.
What are you looking for, sir?
Sophia, take care of yourself, okay? I got it.
I wonder if you don't know, maybe damn it. Oh, morning.
Good morning. It's a beautiful morning, isn't it?
Yes, it's always beautiful around here.
Remember when I was a kid, we used to get up really early in the morning. Mornings are such a challenge, you know?
Yeah. But tell me something, you see. When you used to go to school, which school you used to go?
Seaview Primary.
Seaview Primary? Me too.
Really?
Yes. You know, you remember this teacher they had there, they call Bag of Knowledge?
How can I forget?
Right. That man was a character, eh? All the while, every evening here now. And now, students, remember to bring in your homework by 8:30 in the morning. Then we used to say, yes, teacher. Well, well,
imagine it?
Well, I have to be going. Gotta hit the studies, you know?
Yes.
So, I hope I see you again sometime.
Oh,
We'll
yes.
talk.
Anytime.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Our business brighter today.
Oh, good morning. Merle, isn't it?
Merlin, but you can call me Merle.
That's a nice name.
Thanks.
Ophelia.
Yes, you know, I'm not so very good with names, you know. But you see a face, I never forget it.
So, how long have you been living here?
Couple of years, well.
Do you like it?
Well, it's not so bad, you know. And since, you know, we buy the place, we can't do any better.
What do you do for a living?
You're looking at it. Why all the question?
Just a form of communication.
So, what you do for a living?
Oh, I go to university. I want to be a doctor.
Higgler boy, you can get sick anytime.
Did you say something?
Oh, sorry. I was just talking to myself. Excuse me.
Well, that's okay. It's just a part of human nature, really.
Tell me now, how long you been living in Foreign?
About 14 years. Actually, this is my first trip back home. You see, my whole family lives in Canada. Where's your family?
Then they bout.
What's that mean?
As me say, then they bout. All over the place.
Do you communicate with them?
Forget the argument here.
Sorry. You know, I was thinking about you last night.
Likewise.
Maybe we could get to know each other better.
That's not a bad idea.
That's a wonderful idea. You seem to be an intelligent person. May I ask you a personal question?
How personal?
Are you married?
Married? No, man. Me not even have a girlfriend. You know how long me not even ever get
I really think that I'm beginning to enjoy being in your company, you know?
Me too.
You really do seem to be an intelligent person.
Oh, thanks. You know, I am so very different from the people that live in this yard.
That's only to be expected. I can see that.
I'm glad you understand. You know, sometimes when they bother me, I just doesn't pay them no mind. I go into my room and I doesn't say a thing to them. No matter how they curse me, I doesn't answer them back. Miss Ophelia, you know, you are like the sun that shines. You are like tulip that bloom in spring. Oh, you bring life and laughter to everything under the sun.
Aren't you poetic?
Yes, I didn't intend to talk of poetry, you know, but I realize that food sells faster than poetry.
Do you mind if I come over and sit next to you?
Oh, not at all, man. No, man, put your right here. Oh, yes. I have something for you.
I find it at the park side.
Close your eyes and free your mind just for 1 minute.
I trust you. That's nice. All right now, when we close my eye again, I'm free my mind for 10 minutes.
Kiss me ass. I dream her what?
But it must be so.
Murder.
Lark Starry Stacy, man. The child was just showing medical MMR, mouth-to-mouth resuscitation.
I see you looking confused. You smell galang. I hope you know what you're talking about. Spotland film is the picture show.
Which picture show?
Starring...
All right. It's not everything good for eat, good for talk. You mean inquisitive?
How are you this morning, nice lady?
Quite well, thank you.
You're barking up the wrong tree.
Watch this. Check. Seeing that the man ain't around, how does this sound? I know a place where we could go where there's no winter or snow. Just cool temperature for two. Leaving them behind and taking you.
Now, how this sound? I know a place where you will be going, where the walls are high and the breeze keep blowing. And if you want to go there fast, just step aside and give me pass. Make me go and call Detective Bass to jack up your ass.
Sure, not go on, sir. That thing I are trying out. Sure.
Well, try down at the racetrack.
Go on.
Morning, everyone.
Wait, you look like you had a wonderful time last night. Because, your days she upon, pow.
And it was fantastic. And I would do anything again to have it all over.
That's right.
Oh, Ophelia. I see you're not doing much study at all, eh? But it's okay. We have lots of time. You take it easy.
Linval, come wash your face. Merle, have any sausage and egg there? Tell me something.
I hope it's really sell you mean, Oh, because you not buying anything here. It's pure trust. How much egg you want?
Not sure,
Oh, here.
I hope I don't have to pay for this one.
Why?
Because it's very
Move, you're not business with me. And,
You're saying something?
yes. Look here. Take this bottle of Horlicks and mix the whole life for me.
Wait. Are you so nice this morning?
Walk off, it's in my nature.
Greetings, everyone. Merle.
Yes,
I look like Ja wake up on the high side this morning. How's the morning, Miss Ophelia?
Well, it's been going very fine so far.
Irie. Hey, Spotlam, what do I have planned for today?
Get rich quick. Listen to the plan.
I watch him now.
As I say, come on, Captain.
Ophelia. Oh, sorry about the things I said to you yesterday.
You know, I can't concentrate. Every time I open my book, it's your picture I see.
Oh, and it's the same thing been happening to me. You see when I take up the bottle of Horlicks, it's your face as if I
Let's give it a try.
What? The Alex?
You're too damn fast, man. You wanna be... Sorry about the bad language you hear. Let's try.
I'm ready.
Oh, why not?
Rastafari.
Quiet, Daisy. This picture show going on out here. Yes. Action. But you see what one? A murder hung up on a kiss a woman.
Just come back with the breakfast now.
rock it up, breakfast time, come. Over, finish.
Oh, Ophelia, hurry and come back.
I will.
I know you will.
Bye. What's that, Merle? Me never know say you have the golden touch.
Just move out from here. It's not your business to know about my quality.
Oh, it looked like the eye been bitten by the love bug.
Come look for me neck if you see any hickey mark on it. Jenny, I tell you man, I feel powerful. I feel like Superman.
Yeah. And you know, Merle, me didn't always think say you did.
All right, say it now, say it.
Say it. I'm going to read this one here. In bed, number 11 and number 2 is a business. A business me I deal with, but I want to you. It's ready. Business. Tell Kappa to put up everything me have on the ass, even the BMW, because this one is butter. Teacher.
All right, Percy, simmer down. Settle
Take
down.
your time, little fella, take your time.
What do you?
Catch your breath.
Teacher, look.
What?
Look where?
Look at me over the sister last night.
Why? Where you find?
Well, Percy,
Me can't find the teacher.
Again.
Oh, me just remember right there.
Where?
In Ikea. Wait.
Is what that Dreddy? Wait, Dreddy, what? You will like
It look like baking powder.
taste.
no eye. This tastes like Coke.
Oh, you know Coke taste.
Experience.
You know me coke I do in the ghetto. Eh? Aye, spot lamb. Me have a feeling says that you bring it come in your or the foreigner, you know.
Ganja's clip is all I smoke, you know. Cause me no want to turn junkie. So nobody can deal with me then kind of way there.
I show to my friend near my head back and put it to the sun. After that, all them are run up and down like him crazy.
Coke in the ghetto.
Cooked blows and skirt.
Well, the eye have to find out how it reached in the yard.
Exactly. It's what coke I do in the ghetto.
Cocaine.
Yes, cocaine. And I have a strong suspicion say, are you a foreigner bring it come in there?
Hey, man, just don't accuse my man.
I wouldn't touch that stuff. You know that, darling.
Darling, you see.
Save me backside.
Mama!
Wait, cease. Wait a little bit.
I think the evidence is right. What's the commotion about? It's a really good morning. Yes, Mr. Richards. What can I do for the eye?
Really want you to steal a little plastic bag lying around the place?
Yes, I did. What's in the plastic bag?
Oh, just a little baking powder, that's all.
A baking powder that sells for $250,000.
That's expensive kind.
Yes, you's the one that bring the drugs in the yard, eh?
Drugs? You see how wrong you were?
Well, the eye is going to throw this down the toilet.
Come on! Give it! Which way? See there. Come back in, man. Pick it up, man. We don't want it. Take it, ready, girl.
Hey, don't make that pretend anymore.
War on drugs, declare war on drugs, war on drugs, war on drugs.
Everybody ready? Yourself, everybody ready? Hey, remember say me a drive, you know. And when me ready, everybody is supposed to ready. So white, you ready? And after now you apply for Ironberg. Hey, for the last time, man, I say if you're not ready.
Spotland, why the eye making so much noise?
Cause my business is spoiled.
Yes, but give the ones a chance to say goodbye.
Hey, that can't put bird money in my pocket, you're not ready.
Yes, but Spotland, the eye see how things work out.
What you talk about?
The eye know what I talking about.
Oh, you mean that? I tell you, Mr. White, it's a miracle.
Yes, Spotland, the eye learning.
Then I must, what? You think I made it tough? Hey, when you ready? Myself, when you ready, man. Hey, ready. And when them could I do so long?
Saying goodbye.
Never peep.
You know what? Come feed. Come feed now.
Here's it. What happened, sir? I have business to do, you know, now. Come on, now. Come.
It's getting a little late.
Lord, and now you look like Sharon.
You look beautiful, Daisy.
Thanks, Mr. White. Everybody ready?
Yes.
Where Merle then?
Private in.
Merle! Come on, Merle.
We have all day.
Hey, you think you can do it?
All right. Bubba Merle.
Yeah, come.
So Daisy, who buy that frock there? Live, I'll bring it for you.
Yes, my dear, you like it?
Look good.
Let's start the car now.
All right.
I'll take one of the suitcases too.
Sure, let's see kind of boy. This is how I got the gift for me.
Well, it was nice meeting the island dog. Have a safe flight.
I'm sure. I enjoyed myself also. And I'm sure that Ophelia and I will get an excellent mark on our project.
Hey, Merle! And now you are going foreign.
Don't bother with the excitement, right?
Easy. It was nice knowing you. I'll take care of Linval for you, okay? Okay. Mr. White, good luck with the school.
Irie, daughter.
And you, Spotlamp, stay out of trouble, okay?
I mean, see ya, man.
You're lucky. You're lucky says me beg police for you.
Wait, one's ready?
Now, so no give me a little breathing space, let me say a proper goodbye now.
So what you did in the room and do so long?
Hey, you're too fast.
I am going to miss you very, very much.
And me going to miss you too.
You must be praying for the car foreign.
No, I will.
Me I go pack me grip.
Let's stop work at the garage.
I'll start my internship.
I can't wait.
Oh, Merle.
Oh, Daisy.
Oh,
Don't go away. We'll be right back with more information on Big Yard Part 3. In the morning, you wanna feel right, but you all messed up from drugs last night. Butterflies in your belly, pains in your head. You like the paranoia, you can't get out of bed. I look a bit of coke, I look a morphine. Hi, my name is Devon Horton, and coming soon will be Big Yard Part 3, right in your living room. That's right, Big Yard Part 3, and we would like to hear what you would like to see in Big Yard Part 3. What do you think will happen when distant fans the flame of love? Will Mare migrate to foreign to be with Ophelia? Will Daisy leave Big Yard to seek her fortune in foreign? What will become of Mr. White and his basic school? Will Spotlamp lose his money and BMW? Will Mr. Richards go to jail and lose Big Yard? And what about Percy? Do you think he will get hooked on drugs? We would like to hear from you. Don't delay, write to us now. In care of Big Yard Productions, Inc., 223 Carton Street, Toronto, Ontario, M5A 2L2. That's Big Yard Production, Inc., 223 Carton Street, Toronto, Ontario, M582L2. And guess what? Maybe you could be a part of Big Yard Part 3. Also available is the soundtrack from Big Yard Part 2. And do stay tuned for Big Yard Part 3 and come laugh till your belly busts. War on drugs, we declare war on drugs. War on drugs, war on drugs. Declare war on drugs. War on drugs, war on drugs. We declare war on drugs. Drugs are plague on humanity. Declare state of emergency. Doing our children harm, sending them to funny farm for angel dust to rob and kill. End up in a hole and OD hill and the cheap tricks and the cheap thrills and the people walk the streets in fear. The drug addicts lurking everywhere. War on drugs, war on drugs. Declare war on drugs. War on drugs, war on drugs. We declare war on drugs. War on